This video is basically based on tricks that will help you in exams from getting confused, and also it will reduce the time to attempt the question. Okay, so be with me till the end and you will see the change, you will see the difference in other videos on YouTube and this video. ओके ये वीडियो हिंदी में भी अवेलेबल है, सो लिंक जो है डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे रखा है, उससे आप प्रेफर कर सकते हैं. नाउ लेट्स बिगिन. We have the first question. He is one of the persons who is always against bad activity. In this question we will apply a trick that for he we have used the helping verb is. Okay, and we generally get confused in two helping verbs, is this and is this. Okay, he is, okay, it's fine. One of the persons who is, this is not fine, means we get confused generally here. Okay, he is one of the persons who is always against bad activities. Okay, we think that this is right, this is written right here, but it is wrong, and I will give you the proof also, and I make you understand that there is a trick also that will gonna reduce the stress and will prevent you from getting confused. Okay, now the trick is for he we will use this helping verb. Okay, and for persons, the second noun we have persons, for this we will use this helping verb. Okay, so don't be confused, just simply see that first noun first helping verb, okay, then second noun second helping verb. For second noun, that is plural, we will use the plural helping verb. Okay, this will be are, who are always against bad activity. Okay, if you know Hindi, you can also recommend, or you can see that video in Hindi. There you will be able to understand much better, because I am from Hindi background, so take it in your concern. Okay, so next question is, Varsha is the only one of those girls who make a castle in the air. Varsha, for Varsha we have used this helping verb. Okay, and the second helping verb, the only one of those girls, this is our second noun, and for this we have used makes. Okay, and we know that s or es we apply in the singular noun, the sentence having singular noun, there we apply s or es, but here we have girls. I have already told you, first noun first verb, second noun second verb, so here there will be no s, there will be only make, those girls who make a castle in the air. Okay, so confusion is removed, and also you will save the time, you will not have to make the Hindi or convert it into any language. You will directly see that first noun first helping verb, second noun second helping verb. This will definitely help you in exam. Okay, next. The Hindi and the Marathi are different forms of Sanskrit language which were once spoken in almost every part of India. Here again, the Hindi, the Marathi, these are two languages. Okay, for these two languages we have used the helping verb are. Okay, the Hindi and the Marathi are different forms of Sanskrit language which were once spoken. Here we can see that we observe that this seems to be true. Okay, Hindi and Marathi are different forms of Sanskrit language which were once spoken in almost every part of India. Here we see this as true, but it's wrong. It will be changed from were to was, because here second noun is Sanskrit, this is singular. Okay, singular noun, so according to this singular noun we will change this verb into singular, were from was, it will be converted. Okay, so error is there in this. So this video of error detection and correction is gonna help you a lot. Okay, I have already told you the tricks given in this video are very much different from other videos on YouTube, so be with me till the end. Mr. Mishra with his wife and children were present at the station. Here I am gonna give you a trick, and this trick will gonna help you in every sentence which is having the preposition in it. So here we have the preposition with. Okay, or you can say that any preposition that comes, this trick will be applied. Any error detection of sentence having the preposition will use this trick that I am gonna tell you now. whenever we find the preposition in the sentence, then the words coming after it will be removed to check the verb. Okay, these will be removed to check the verb. We will only check the verb from the first noun before preposition. Okay, here we can see that Mr. Mishra is singular, so we will use the singular verb. Okay, Mr. Mishra with his wife and children was present at the station. This is the trick. Whensoever you see the preposition, just delete the words coming after it till the verb comes. Okay, then we will check from the noun before the preposition that which verb will be used, singular or plural. Okay, this will be applied in every sentence having preposition. So you stay with me and see, this will be applied in every sentence having preposition. Next we have, many a student are frustrated because of unemployment. Here again I am gonna give you a trick, very amazing trick. Okay, here we can see that this many confuses us. Okay, how? We see that there is given many, so it is true, we think so. Okay, it seems that if there is many, then this verb will be right because this is in plural form, but it is not so. This many is meant for only student, not for this are. Okay, many is only for student, then this student will change this verb according to itself. Okay, according to this student we will change the verb. Many has no relation with are. Okay, many has no relation with are, and this is gonna help you a lot when you keep it in mind that only this noun affects the verb, only this noun affects the verb. Then you will not be confused in exam when you attempt the question. Okay, see how we will do this in other questions. We also gonna apply this trick. Okay, so here we will change it according to this student. This a student is singular, this is singular, so it will also be singular. Here we will use is. Okay, what is the trick we have applied? That this many is not meant for our verb, it is only meant for the second noun which is given, sorry, first noun which is given in the sentence. Okay, so the verb will change according to our noun only. Next, a large number of students has applied for the job in Navy. Okay, here we have a large number. What we have a large number of students. We will remove this. What I have told you earlier also, that when we will see the preposition, we will remove the noun after it, remove the word after it till we go to the verb. So this will change according to a large number. A large number is a plural form. Okay, ये क्या है? This is plural. This is plural. So according to this we will change a large number have. Okay, we will not use a large number has. Instead we will use a large number have applied for the job. Okay, then here we will have not has, we will have a have here. Okay, next question. The dog along with the boys were walking in the forest. I have already given you the trick. We have along with as preposition here. Okay, so we will remove all of this till our verb. Now we will see that what will be our verb according to this noun. Okay, this noun is singular, the dog, so according to it, it will be changed. It will be changed to was. Okay, it will be changed to was. The dog along with the boys was walking in the forest. Change it into your own mother tongue, then you will find that this sentence will be apt with was, not with were. Okay, now next. Bad news always travel fast. Okay, here we have bad news. What is news? News has a full form of north, east, west, south. It is a singular noun. Okay, it is a singular noun. So news always travel. Instead of travel we will use travels, because we know that In singular noun we will use s or es in the verb. Okay, so news is singular, so according to it we will use travels instead of travel. Goraya noticed me that a gang of dacoits were coming to attack my house. Okay, here we have of. Of has preposition, so we will delete this up to our verb. So here we have Goraya noticed me that a gang. A gang is singular. If we will have a number of dacoits are coming, then it will be plural. Okay, in previous question also we have did it, that if there is a number of dacoits are coming, या फिर or we can say that were coming, then it would be true. Okay, but here we have used a gang of dacoits. A gang is a collective noun. It is a collection of a number of dacoits. Okay, so we will use here was instead of were. Okay, it is our singular collective noun, gang. Okay, so we will have was here. Next, the accountant and the cashier is absent today. Here you have to keep it in mind that if there is one the, that if I tell you that there is only one the, this the is not present here, then the accountant and cashier is absent today, then it would be true, because if there is only single the and the words are used twice, accountant also and cashier also, then these two are the same person, means that the work of accountant and the work of cashier is done by the single person if there is only one the and this the is not present. Okay, but here we have two those. Okay, here we have two those, the accountant and the cashier. Then if there are two those, then there also are two people. The accountant and the cashier are two different people. Okay, so here we will use are instead of is. Next, many of the questions asked in the question paper was easy. I have already given you the trick that many is used for questions. Okay, and here we have preposition in, and after it we will remove the words till we get the verb. Okay, many is used for questions, and for questions we will change this verb. Okay, so questions is plural, so the verb will also be plural. Okay, next, if I was you, I would not have committed this blunder. This is a little bit tricky statement, but it is a static answer. When we put our position into a superposition, or we imagine ourselves into the position of others, like if I say that if I were a bird, then I could fly. So here I have used that I have put my position to the position of bird. Okay, so we can say that there we only use were. When we imagine ourselves to the other's position, we use were. Another example of it is, if he were a scientist, he would invent a time machine. Okay, here also we have used were. So when we have a statement starting with if and we are imagining a position to the another position which is hypothetical or cannot be possible, then we will say that there will always use were instead of was. Okay, so here we will use were instead of was, because we have put ourselves into the superposition where we cannot be present. Okay, next question. The majority of laborers is demanding an increase in wages. Okay, here I have already told you the trick. The trick was that if you find the preposition, then delete the words till the verb. Okay, so the majority is demanding an increase in wages. If there would be a majority is demanding, then this question, this statement would be correct, then there would be no error. But here we are given the majority, so for the majority we use the verb as plural. Okay, we will use the verb as plural. So here we will use are instead of is. Okay, so if it would be a majority, then this statement would be right, but now at present it is wrong because we have used the majority. For the, we will use the plural verb. Okay, keep it in mind, it will help you. I am sure that neither the house nor its content are for sale. So in this sentence you can see that we have used neither or neither and nor. In those sentences in which we use neither nor, this is basically used to reduce the statement or to make you better understand. Okay, if we will take the full statement of neither and nor, then it would be like that: I am sure that neither the house is for sale. Here we have engulfed the statement, okay, because of the trend we are using today, and nor its content are for sale. What would be the full statement? I will tell you again. I am sure that neither the house is for sale nor its contents are for sale. Okay, but here we have engulfed the half statement. So if this content would be in place of house, then we would say I am sure that neither the contents are for sale nor this house is for sale. Okay, understood? Means in every case we will use the verb according to this noun. Okay, according to this noun. We have no matter with this noun. I will make you understand this again, that I am gonna read this statement in full sense. Okay, I am sure that neither the house is for sale nor its components are for sale. If in place of house there would be contents, okay, then the statement would be like that: I am sure that neither the contents are for sale nor this house is for sale. You got me? Okay, so we will change this verb according to the second noun we are using. Okay, then we will have no connection with this noun, the first noun we are using. So we have only connection with the second noun. If it would be singular, then this would also be singular. If it is plural, then it is also plural. Okay, the statement is true. The given statement is completely true. Okay, we have no error in this because for contents, for plural verb, plural noun, we have used the plural verb. Okay, the statement is correct. Next we have 2/3 of the book were rubbish, no error. 2/3 of the book were rubbish. 2/3. This means that 2 times of 2/3 of the book. This is a part. 2/3 part of book is rubbish. Okay, 2/3. If there would be 1/3, then s would not be there. If instead of 2 there would be 1, then s would not be there. Okay, but we have used 2, then we can use s. Okay, if there would be 3/4, then we will use 3/4, then we will use s in the end. Okay, when there is 1/4, then we will not use s. For 2 we will use s. Okay, it's okay, it's right. The statement would be that 2/3 of the book were rubbish. This is the part of one book. Here we have one book. Okay, so 2/3 part of the book was rubbish. Because we have a single book and we have a part, 2/3 part, it is also a single. Okay, it is also singular, so we will use here was. Okay, the error is in third statement, third. Okay, fourth, 16th question we have: none of my friends are applying for the job. I have already told you that after the preposition you will delete the statement, okay, till you get the verb. For none we will use singular verb because for more than one we use plural form. Okay, for more than one we use plural verb, but here we have less than one. Okay, none means less than one. Okay, less than one or equals to one, we will use singular verb. Okay, for less than one or one we will use singular verb. So the connection is directly from none to this. Okay, so we will use is here. What we will use? We will use is. Next, a group of friends want to visit the new plant as early as possible. A group wants to visit. Of, after of we will remove this till verb. Of is preposition, so we will remove afterwards till verb. Then we will see a group. A group is a singular verb. Okay, a group is a singular verb. Then we will change it according to this statement. A group of friends wants, we will use here wants. Okay, because we have singular noun, then we will use s or es. Understood? The error is in second option. Cabinet ministers and prime minister was at airport to receive the foreign dignitary. Okay, here we have already told you that for one the we means that single person is talked about. For two thus we know that there are more than one person. This is different person and this is different. Okay, so we have already there a plural form, and we have used and then we have prime minister, so we have plural sense here. So according to it, the verb will also be plural. Okay, here we will use were instead of was. Twice 12 are 24. In this statement we will take help of mathematics. Twice 12 means 2 times of 12. Okay, and 2 times of 12 we know it is 24, and we always use 2 times 12 is 24. Okay, when we cram the table also we always use is equals to. Okay, never use are equals to. So we will here consider it as singular because this verb is used for this number, and this number is just a number, not a plural form. Okay, 24 is a number, it is used in singular sense. 24 is a number. Okay, it will change this verb into is. Okay, you can take help of this is equals to. We always use is equals to instead of are equals to. So here we will have is instead of are. Whensoever you found a sense of equals, then we will use is in mathematics only. Okay, next, a series of lectures of Indian philosophy are arranged by the university. A series of lectures, okay, of Indian philosophy. This lectures is used for Indian philosophy. Okay, and this series is related to this, but we will see that here we have used the preposition, and afterwards we will remove all the words till we get the verb. Okay, a series, this are is used for series, and series is a singular noun. Okay, it is singular noun, so we will have singular verb. Okay, so here we will have singular verb, so we have here it will be is. A series of lectures of Indian philosophy is arranged. Here we can also take an example of web series also. Okay, a series of episodes, instead of lecture we will use a series of episodes of Game of Thrones. Okay, instead of Game of Thrones you can take any which you like. A series of episodes of Game of Thrones is very interesting because it is a series, it is a single form. Okay, it contains a lot of episodes. Okay, then these lectures used instead of episodes. So this series can hold any number of lectures, this series can hold any number of episodes. So according to that we will take this series and we will change the verb we have. We have no connection of this verb to these episodes or these lectures or this Indian philosophy. We directly have the link of this form of verb to this first noun we are using in the statement. Next, the house with all its furniture and exotic plant were sold for rupees 60,000. I have already told you, when we use the preposition we will delete the words till we get the verb. Okay, this we got the verb here, and we will change it according to the noun we were using before the preposition. This is our preposition and this is our noun. This verb will also change according to this noun. Okay, so the house was sold for rupees 60,000. You have to delete it and then check. Okay, then you will get the answer, right answer. You will not gonna confuse, neither your time will be wasted. Okay, next we have, the teacher asked the students if every one of them were interested in going on an excursion. Okay, here we have used the teacher asked the students if everyone. In this word we generally get confused. I have already told you that this every is used for this word one. Okay, and of we have here preposition, we will delete this till we get the verb. Okay, every is used for one and one will change this verb. Understood? This one will change the verb we are using, and this verb has no connection with every. Okay, so when you get someone, then also we have connection of one with the verb, not some. Okay, we may have many one. Okay, many one of them, then also we have connection of one with this verb. Okay, we will not link this every to this verb. Understood? This is our trick. Next, several visitors are expected to visit the place tomorrow. Okay, several visitors, several has connection with this visitors and visitors have connection with this verb. Okay, so we have several visitors, and for visitors we have used the plural verb, and it is true, our statement seems to be true, expected to visit the place tomorrow. Okay, this is absolutely true, we have no error in this statement. Many a profound thinker believes that the march of civilization has not coincided with the real human progress. Okay, here many of the profound thinker, many okay, many has connection with a profound thinker. Many has no connection with this verb we have used here, helping verb or verb we have used in the statement. Okay, so a profound thinker, for this we will use a single form of verb because a profound thinker is also singular noun. Okay, so we have used s or es in the end, and we use s or es for single noun, so this statement is true. We will see further also, check it till the end. The march of civilization has not coincided with the real human progress. It seems to be true because we have used here the preposition, and we will delete it till we get the verb. Here we got the verb, and we will check that the march is singular, and we also have used the verb as singular, so this statement seems to be very true. Okay, not coincided with the real human progress. Okay, this statement is completely true, we have no error in this statement, no error detection in this statement. Last question, bacteria is probably the most common form of life on earth. Bacteria is a plural form of bacterium. Okay, bacterium is the singular verb. Okay, instead of a, if we would have then it would be bacterium, and this bacterium is singular, but here we have used bacteria. Keep it in mind that bacteria is not singular, it is already a plural form of noun. Okay, we cannot write it as bacterias in plural form, it would be wrong. Okay, so we have bacteria, it is plural, and for plural we use the plural form of verb. We will use are here instead of is. Okay, So these were our questions. For more such videos, do subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon, and do like this video also for giving us more support. Thank you. We will meet you in the next video.